complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome everyone, and welcome Nexo. Today we have a listening class to hear what you learned in context and reinforce it through several conversations.
Great, Emma. I am ready to listen.
Vocabulary, countries, grammar, personal pronouns, and the verb to be.
That sounds useful. Real conversations help me remember.
Exactly. Listen for simple phrases, countries, and forms like I'm, your, and it is. Let's begin with the main dialogues. Ordering coffee. Good morning. Can I have a small coffee, please?
Good morning. Is it for here or to go?
To go, please. How much is it?
It is $2.
Here you are.
Thank you. Are you from Spain?
Yes, I am. I'm from Madrid.
Nice. Your coffee is ready.
Great. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Hotel check-in. Hello. I have a room. My name is Ana Lopez.
Welcome. Are you here for 2 nights?
Yes, I am. Is breakfast included?
Yes, it is. It is from 7 to 10.
Great. Is the room quiet?
Yes, it is quiet. Your room is on the 3rd floor.
Thank you. Where are the elevators?
They are to your right.
Perfect. Is the Wi-Fi free?
Yes, it is. Here is your key.
Asking for directions. Excuse me. Is the train station near here?
Yes, it is near. It is a 5-minute walk.
Great. Are we on Park Street now?
Yes, we are. Go straight and turn left.
Is it next to the bank?
No, it isn't. It is next to the hotel.
Thank you. I'm new in Canada.
You're welcome. Enjoy the city.
At the doctor's office. Good afternoon, doctor. I'm not well.
Good afternoon. Are you tired?
Yes, I am, and my head is hot.
Let me check. Your temperature is high.
Is it serious?
No, it isn't serious. You are okay.
What should I do?
Drink water and rest. Are you at home today?
Yes, I am at home.
Good. If it is worse, call me.
Meeting a classmate. Hi, I'm Sophia. Are you in this English class?
Hi, I'm Leo. Yes, I am.
Nice to meet you. Are you from Brazil?
No, I'm from Mexico.
Oh, great. I'm from Spain.
Is our teacher from England?
Yes, she is. She's very friendly.
Good. Are the other students here?
Yes, they are in the room.
Nice. We are early.
That's good. The class is not full.
Great. Let's sit here.
At the grocery store. Hi, are these apples fresh?
Yes, they are fresh.
Great. How much are they?
They are $3 a kilo.
Okay. I need 2 kilos, please.
Sure. Here you are.
Thank you. Is this milk cold?
Yes, it is cold. It is from today.
Perfect. That is all.
Great. The total is $8.
Great work, Nexo. These real dialogues show useful English for everyday moments.
Yes. I heard countries and many forms of to be.
Exactly. Listening in context helps you understand and remember simple grammar.
I feel more confident now.
Wonderful. Goodbye, Nexo. And goodbye, everyone. See you in the next class.